How Iran became the United States' main enemy. Imagine 1970s Tehran, a vibrant modern city. Women in bikinis, luxury lifestyles, and American culture thriving. It was America's closest ally. But by 1979, everything changed. The same nation became America's fiercest enemy. What led to this dramatic shift? It all began with oil and a hidden coup. In the 1940s and 50s, British companies controlled Iran's vast oil reserves. Profits were shockingly lopsided, 91% for Britain, just 9% for Iran. Iranians were furious. Their nation's wealth was plundered, leading to widespread poverty while a small elite prospered. The people demanded change. Into this discontent rose Mohammad Mossadegh. His vision was clear: economic independence and, crucially, to nationalize Iran's oil. On March 15, 1951, the Iranian parliament overwhelmingly voted yes. The oil, they declared, now belonged to Iran, a moment of national triumph. Mossadegh became prime minister, immediately limiting the Shah's power. London, however, panicked at the loss of their oil empire. Britain retaliated with a devastating oil export ban, crippling Iran's economy. The nation faced immense hardship as its primary revenue source vanished. In 1952, the Shah attempted a coup to regain control, but it failed. He was forced to flee to Rome amidst widespread street protests. With Mossadegh now looking towards the Soviet Union for support, the US and UK saw a new threat. Their solution: regime change. This led to Operation Ajax, a joint CIA and MI6 covert operation. On August 19, 1953, a coup was launched, changing Iran's destiny forever. General Zahedi seized power, Mossadegh was arrested, and the Shah returned to his throne. Iranian democracy was dead. The oil deal was reset. Before, 100% British. Now 40% American and 60% British. The coup secured Western oil interests. This was a point of no return. Iranians witnessed their elected leader overthrown for oil money. Anti-American rage was born. From 1953 to 1979, the Shah's regime, backed by the brutal Savak secret police, ruled Iran. America called him an ally. For the elite, Tehran was a paradise, the Paris of the Middle East, filled with champagne, caviar, and luxury cars. But for the common people, it was poverty. No healthcare, while the elite partied. The resentment simmered. In 1972, Nixon visited, solidifying US support. The US even helped start Iran's nuclear program in 1957. Amidst this, Ayatollah Khomeini emerged, advocating for an Islamic state free from Western influence. His message resonated deeply. Exiled to Paris, Khomeini sent sermons on cassette tapes. His message spread like wildfire, igniting revolutionary fervor across Iran. By the late 1970s, cities erupted in mass uprisings. The revolution was unstoppable, fueled by decades of grievance. In February 1979, Khomeini returned and the Shah fled. Iran transformed from a US ally to its sworn enemy. In November 1979, the crisis escalated. 52 American diplomats were taken hostage at the US Embassy, held for 444 days. On April 24, 1980, Operation Eagle Claw, a rescue mission, was launched. It resulted in total disaster. A sandstorm, crashed helicopters, and exploded trucks. The mission failed spectacularly, humiliating President Carter. Carter lost the 1980 election. Iran became America's #1 enemy, a direct consequence of the 1953 coup. Why is Iran still an enemy? The Strait of Hormuz, its nuclear program, and its anti-Israel stance continue to fuel tensions. The irony is profound. The US created Iran's nuclear program and installed the Shah. The blowback has been extreme, from best ally to worst enemy. The 1953 coup remains the original sin, shaping decades of geopolitical conflict. Follow for more geopolitics.